How to delete watch history on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete watch history on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And now here, once you're inside your activity section, you simply have to scroll down, and there at the bottom you'll see the option labeled as watch history. So there you can simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside this section, then here what you can do is you can just tap on select option, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you have done that, you can simply select the reel that you want to remove from this section. And here, once you're done selecting all the reel that you want to remove, you can just tap on remove and confirm your action by tapping on remove again. And that's it. That's how you can delete watch history on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.